vaccination has been opened from 18 to 40. Okay, people say कि government has to do it. You are completely, I mean, at least I would have gone for 100% vaccination for those above 50 or 90, whatever, highest maximum percentage of vaccinations above 50 before opening up the limited doses that we have to a healthier population. Now, within 18 to 45 or within 16 to 50, there are people who need a vaccine because they are having respiratory problems, heart problems, or whatever. So you can open it for them. Okay. So you have, and government, in my mind, did a very good job in sharing the vaccine in a step-by-step manner, and the credit has gone to that Aadhaar and based system, which is basically allowing the people to track and allowing the government to track the vaccination progress and not create this haphazard corrupt practice. On the roadside the same vaccine is available, because I'm telling you, the minute it is open to everyone, the minute it is open to private players, you are going to see the vaccines from the free category taken off by some middlemen and sent into this paid category. This is going to happen, and then what will people will blame the government, which is what everyone wants. These media, they want that only. They want that narrative. Look, in Dharavi you can get a vaccine if you pay 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees, but outside it is actually 600 rupees. So how is this? And then they will accuse. And that is what I was thinking that this will happen in the first round of vaccines. When the vaccines come out, there will be a mad rush. People will say, if you want a vaccine, pay me 2 lakhs. I will give you vaccine. All that thing was eliminated because of this strategic, systematic way in which they went about. And most of the vulnerable people have already been offered an option to take the vaccine. They haven't taken is a separate issue, but they have been offered an option to take the vaccine since 1st January or whatever, 1st February. Now this creates, so this process till 1st May has been managed very well. Okay, in my mind. There is no corruption ki, I can get you a vaccine. That Devendra Fadnavis' son or
nephew,
I don't know, his son, nephew or whoever, he somehow got the vaccine.
Yeah.
Now I am suspecting, this is not good.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I am saying that if you leave aside that case, I at least haven't heard on a mass scale that vaccine supply, which was meant for senior citizens, have been diverted into some shady pockets. Some people contacting you, if you want vaccine, I will give you. It is started in oxygen cylinders. If you want oxygen cylinders, you pay me 2 lakhs, I will give you oxygen cylinders. These kinds of things have started. This is what is the absolute bad management that you can have. And that's why it was very critical to have a systematic vaccination program, and it was going well. If people would have followed the mask and things, this would have been a most successful vaccination program. And even now, they have opened it up, but hopefully, I'm just hoping that they follow the protocol and have some mechanism of controlling how. Otherwise, there are many middlemen who will just siphon off these vaccines from elderly and all these scheduling,
who have
whatever
access
is
to the source.
So they will take from that and they will channel it, and you will see, Prasanna, do you want vaccine? I have 2 lakh rupees you give me, I will give you vaccine. And there will be just saline solutions. I don't know, it will be just a label on top of something. All sorts of weirdos will come into this, game. And that's why I'm told that they have restricted. The public vaccine is only these two, the current Covishield and the Bharat Biotech vaccine. And privately, if you want, you can get other vaccines. So they are keeping it two different so that it's not mixed up, is what I am saying. But I mean, I'm hearing. But if this is the way they are going to do it systematically, saying we want Covishield or Covaxin, then you take the app, register, you will get a date. On that date, you go into that center, get your vaccine, finish. Then 28 days, whatever days later, you will get another message. Ki now you can go take another shot. Go take another shot, finish. In quick time, it will be over. So this is tremendously, opportunity for corruption. And you know how creative we are with corruption.
Yeah. Okay, then we'll meet you all in the next episode. Till then, bye-bye. Please, if you like this episode, do share this episode with your friends and colleagues. And if you want to check out our other episodes, you can check it out on YouTube or any other podcast platforms. Thank you.
Thank you.